Hello everyone, welcome to our ArcGIS Pro tutorial. My name is Anastasios Dardas and I'm a higher education developer in the Education and Research Group at Esri Canada. The main focus of this tutorial is to showcase you what you can do in ArcGIS Pro. Video 1, which is what you're watching right now, will walk through a master document that covers all of the current ArcGIS Pro resources available online. And then video 2 will demonstrate 3D visualization, mainly how to extrude 2D data and show it in the 3D time-lapse. Then we will shift over to the intermediate level and provide 2 videos on how to improve processing and automation. Video 3 will specifically cover the fundamental differences between ArcMap and ArcGIS Pro in terms of processing capabilities. And then we will do a demo on how to validate different Python versions in Pro, execute geoprocesses using Jupyter Notebook, and the use of Model Builder by importing historical processes and translating it into Python code. Video 4 will briefly demonstrate data chunking and parallel processing using Python, and then we will emphasize the use of GeoAnalytics Desktop as a way to speed up geoprocessing time. Lastly, in the advanced section, we will cover 4 videos. Videos 5 through 7 will discuss and demo on applied machine learning and deep learning, and video 8 on space-time cube and calendar heat chart visualization. Here on our higher education website, under Resource Finder, you will find a complete list of resources, ranging from ArcGIS Pro to City Engine. After this tutorial is complete, you may download and view the videos and its contents, including the resource document from our Resource Finder. For the resource document, when you open it, you will see a description of how to use it. The sources are listed by theme and sorted by difficult level. In other words, the beginning of this document provides resources for those that are new to ArcGIS Pro and continue through further towards deep and machine learning. Thus, this brings a total of 10 pages of currently available ArcGIS Pro resources. As you scroll through the file, you will see the title, the highlights of what it includes, when the date was created, and how long it would take you when you complete that resource. Now, most of these resources are either free or require maintenance, meaning having an ArcGIS Pro license. With that, this concludes the introduction of ArcGIS Pro. I highly recommend you to download the resource file first, as it will give you a variety of options to choose based on your needs. Now off to the next video on 3D visualization.